guys, welcome back to the channel. This is going to be Wednesday's video, I believe. It's going to be World of Warships. I know you guys have not seen me play this on the channel before. That's okay. I have not really played this game recently since I started this channel. That's okay. Today we'll get back into it. Hopefully, with the Christmas stuff coming along relatively soon, I would like to get some going for some grinding in before too much longer. I know I have the grind War Thunder, all that stuff, but it's not really fun about friends. And all my friends are asleep right now. So we have our legendary captain, Penguin Zero here. We have full secondary build. We are working on getting a can leveled up. Got that extra. That's actually really good. And we're probably gonna grab this skill next, because more heals. So yeah, probably grab this, and this. I don't really need that, as like I don't care. Falcon fires, you know, always has something to shit. So we're playing operations here because operations give you a lot more resources, rewards. Sorry. For the time you sink into them in random battles, because I'm shit in this game.
Yeah, I can't carbine.
I'm not like one of those real sweaty people who cares. I just kind of run around and shoot things.
So
I failed my way to top the tier 10.
Bro, Jesus Christ.
Alright, oh, it's this one, okay.
No,
I'm doing it. I'm in a battleship, so the most common battle ship for this is actually this thing is actually battleship cruisers. It's actually really rare to see destroyers. You know, they also carry them pretty common. I don't think I've ever seen submarines. What the fuck is that? Okay.
Ship commanders, suppress enemy resistance. Provide cover for the convoy.
Alright, so listen, we're playing the KMS Bismarck. You know, the Bismarck in a motion, a beast made of steel. And today we're joined by a bunch of randoms today. I don't think.
Warship commanders, provide cover for the transport ship.
Awaiting instructions.
Fight to end conquest. CS70, CS71, CS61, 71. Shit. Is that actually Baltimore's phone number? I don't know.
Sighted on the horizon.
Yeah. That's Houston, California. Okay, old batteries focus fire on ridiculous there. Secondary battery equipment also not a little thing of that. I'm going to smack the shit out of the New York. Why did I pick KHR piercing shells? Fuck you. Bonk! They sank that cruiser. You know, the free experience. I ate a good chunk silo from the New York return though. Destroyer's dead. So I just get more. My guys get more accurate. Shoot at that guys. That guy's dead. Now they just get even more. Oh, Queen Elizabeth. So yeah, I changed targets so they get a little less, but that's okay. Queen Elizabeth is a much more dangerous target anyway. I'm going to turn into Queen Elizabeth, because Queen Elizabeth is probably going to smite me for half the heckles. Unless they make she did. That's okay. We're not going to find out. And that's okay. I'm not going to be running an accuracy build on the Bismarck here. I ain't fucking stupid. Oh yes, yeah. Angled belt, jackass. Eat my German steel. Fire! 4 full pens, okay. No citadels, which is kind of sad, but that's okay. I got 2 from the Texas, or the New York, sorry. New York earlier. Yeah, my little guns are firing just on everything. They're just fucking Angie. My guns are Angie, guys. Because I'm German. That's how this works. Well, the ship is you. Fuck you. No citadels. Why no citadels?
Fire alarm!
This is bullshit. There should have been citadels. Burn the bitch. Set the stern. There we go. Fire up.
Destroyed an enemy battleship.
If you look at that, USS Dallas. Yeah, what's my secondary battery range? 11.5 kilometers.
Problem solved, sir.
They said that Dallas is definitely well within my secondary battery range. But I'm going to shoot it with my main guns. I really don't want to hit shit. That's okay. No, I hit him twice with 2 full pounds. That hurt. He did not like that. Ah, shit. There's Annabro here. We'll go in front of me here. Well, hello. Could be Annabro here. Little tier 6 light.
Enemy transport ships detected. Destroy the enemy transport ship.
Chewy on the inside. From the outside. Chewy on the inside. Give them citadels, baby. Well, I don't know. Shoot him. Shoot him in the face with the guns. Go, 6 inch. Go secondary battery. Okay, he's not dead.
Fire alarm!
Okay, I turned this way to avoid torpedoes. You know, those
Torpedoes
torpedoes.
to port. Hydroacoustic search activated.
Let me get the radar. We're gonna focus on this and not shoot, I guess. Okay, focus fire on this area. Then slow the starboard side. Just kind of fire the front over.
Problem
Port
solved,
side
sir.
fire out in this area. And for those turrets. Missouri on tiers me has more hit points than I do. A lot more hits than I do. But I have teammates which are fucking abandoning me. No, I got a multiple. He's still shooting at me. He's angled at me. Fire superstructure. Ah, 2 of them. We don't really try to ship to ship here, as we only get 7 ships compared to one like Infinite.
Fire alarm!
So we're going to exchange broadsides here. We're not going to. There's a fucking sinking ship there. Citadel. Oh, I turned too far. Fuck, I'm not going to shoot. Real Lieutenant. Boom! Citadel penetration. Where's it gonna turn out here? It's gonna smite my fucking massive shadow one. There we go. Good shit, boys. I'm gonna go this way. Second area, so let's turn around the home hard. I'm being radar right now. It's not very nice. Fires out. Here we go. They're still shooting at you, which is kind of rude. But also like,
Problem solved, sir.
I am slowly putting down. Preparing what I can. And we are first in the fight. And that's our team's fucking leaving.
All enemy transport ships were destroyed.
Alright, knock knock. Oh, it's a destroyer. Shoot him down. Look, look. That's what was radaring me earlier.
Reporting the target position. Affirmative.
Blast his ass. That's back to tier 4 where you came from.
Torpedoes dead ahead. Fire alarm.
I need to do some breakfast.
Below the water line. We're flooding quickly. Torpedoes dead ahead.
3, 2, 1. No! Oh well.
Ship commanders. Provide cover for the transport ships.
Nice battle. That's all I can really do. That's like, there's no point. There's no point just caring. Well, yours Quincy was CF-871, my bad. She was just... She was a multiple class heavy cruiser, but still. Wow, this again?
Ship commanders. Suppress enemy resistance. Provide cover for the convoy. Warship commanders. Provide cover for the transport ship. Awaiting instructions. Enemy force detected.
Focus fire on the cruiser. Well, isn't really sure yet. I don't know what damage until she. Ow! Oh, whoa! Bonk! Okay. That's 5 pence. Out of like 8 guns. German accuracy, by the way. The German like bullshit accuracy that doesn't actually work until it does. You all saw right there, it works sometimes. I'm gonna miss the destroyer. I am way behind that destroyer. The fuck was I aiming at? I hate him! I hate him with like the terrible German accuracy. I mean, he's just falling. He's just melting my second battery.
Destroy the target.
Blackbeard Zombie Slayer. What a 10 right there. Carrier, because I am.
Hang in there. Help is on the way.
Shoot that. Oh, and we already lost for sure. Well, Leander, get me 58-yard piercing shot, Sabo. I hate them all. I hit every single shot and overpanned every single one of them. I'm out of the Ferris torpedo range. I'm not worried about torpedoes. I played the Farragut. I know. I mean, secondary can shoot.
Destroyer.
If you guys can shoot that battleship over there, go for it. This way. No, we're gonna go this way. We're gonna go around this. Oh, God's laser. They can't see me, by the way. I just fucking well, I was. The Nelson's not your torpedoes because it's a marathon cruiser. So, I'm just gonna overcome this entire thing. We're outside again. That's Missouri. We're going to turn in before you smite me. Ow!
Fire alarm!
Not hurt bad. Section in super heavy AP. I don't like that. Die, Dallas, die! Oh God, just die in a hole. Thank you.
Attention.
That hurt.
Ships detected. Destroy the enemy transport ships. Torpedoes dead ahead! Hydroacoustic search activated. Problem
Dodge
solved, sir.
torpedoes.
Fire alarm!
I am bowing to Missouri, so I should be okay. No, never mind, I'm not okay. That's 10 cannons superstructure. Help. Help.
Requesting fire support. All stations reporting the position of a strategic
Hey,
target.
bounced to my fucking belt. Okay. And my secondaries are setting his ass on fire. Okay, I was angled, but apparently he can just chunk me for my entire HP bar. Apparently he can Citadel me from that angle. I don't know you can do that. Okay, well. "13 battleships online." Oh, I went defenseless when I was sure. No, I think we're attacking here. Oh yeah. Oh, over here. Oh shit.
This is the base commander. We expect the arrival of transport and attack squadrons. Strike aircraft will ensure support during the embarkation and evacuation on transport aircraft. Warship commanders, clear the most direct route for the aircraft in the specified sectors. Enemy force detected. Awaiting instructions.
You. Yes. Oh, I should have an AG. Why not I shoot? sides of the Bismarck and engage in fucking violence.
Fire
Look
alarm!
at the amount of like violence.
Enemy battleship sighted.
Welcome away to that one. That one. Yes, Citadel! We're burning, that's okay. Your cutie AP does nothing. Oh shit, I should have picked up my secondary turns. You bitch! Ow! You dickhead! I don't need to do that. No, you can't. That's fucking... I think I can do the battleship.
Enemy battleship sighted. Torpedoes to port.
Oh shit, there's torpedoes. Oh, a lot of
Torpedoes to
torpedoes.
port. Hydroacoustic search activated. Problem solved, sir.
Power! Power!
We're hull below the waterline. We're flying quickly.
Ow, 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 that hurts. Why is this hurting so much? You and your little dick ass. Die! I missed. Fuck. I'm gonna flip it. Yeah. Oh, it's a good question this game, or not?
It's up in the flat. Oh, it's got 6 to go, too. What do you expect from the game?
Alright, let's play this. I just failed my way for 25 minutes. Oh shit, I forgot, there's a tier 10 version of this, aren't there? Somewhere. I have my Des Moines out.
Hold on, you're not going hard?
Shit, I need to talk to Q Black.
W.
Oh no, that's the... So I got lots of containers that can contain ships.
Goodbye, SCP-40.
Okay. Got a port slot, okay.
Grayson's monkey. Oh. Did you just double pump those insert?
Okay, so let me see here.
Send me that clip. Like, you fucking double pump.
It is time for the boys to make a showcase. So that's where we can do tier 10 operations now.
What the fuck?
Two Los Angeles, another Des Moines, a Buffalo, Seattle, and Shimakaze. Oh shit. Roll out the rudder. Y'all ready?
Attention Task Force Commander. Escort the support ship and floating workshop to the carrier. Over.
Y'all ready?
Attention Engineer. Restore the carrier to operational condition. Attention Arsenal and Aviator. Deliver ammunition and resupply the Raptors air group. Over.
Awaiting instructions.
Okay, well, I see me. I'm being targeted.
Enemy force sighted on the horizon.
All stations. Quick defeat of enemy forces is key to success. Send them all to Davy Jones.
America! Fuck yeah! Gonna save it from the day in America! Fuck yeah! Okay, time for AP. Go pop a heal real quick. Definitely gonna fucking need that. That guy's firing high explosive at me. I have my American. Oh, that guy gets slapped. He's dead. Fire some Let this man fucking fire. The support trips up.
Attention. Reporting the target position.
Attention ship and squadron commanders. Pay special attention to torpedo defense.
Shooting me. Not fun. I'm gonna shoot you because you're a fucking bot. Or you should have caught the torpedoes. You know what? I'm gonna use just should have caught the torpedoes. That was for breakfast on the one. Bonk. How the fuck did he not die? Yeah, we're gonna fight these two. We're gonna fight these. We're gonna go fucking knife fight these two cruisers. Yeah. Well, we're gonna pull up right in front of this. And we're just gonna fucking, like, dump armor piercing into their fucking side. Why? I'm in a match right now.
Raptor, Task Force Commander here. Working on an optimal route for you. Proceed due northwest.
I've lost some anti-aircraft battery, but that's okay. Not really matters anyway. Okay, guys, ready? Here we go. And it is time for Bert. You're gonna do it. You know what? I mean, he's dead. Oh, the torpedoes are not. I hear torpedoes.
Direct front.
Not get hit by it. I should have taken those also, as I have the power of American Super Heavy Armor Piercing. Die! The power of Hey, guys, go! Hey, guys, go! Hey, guys, go! Help! 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 Heal! 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 You missed, you loser! Loser! Why? Okay. I can take care of half pleasure by myself. That's not gonna be good. Right. 30,000 AA damage. Don't mind me. I'm out of heals, so that's fun.
Attention, support that target.
Okay, that's just beautiful. Explosive. That'll be mine. He is toasting.
That's how it's done.
Enemy aircraft carrier destroyed.
Torpedoes, dead ahead.
Okay. I don't know you can sit in aircraft carriers. I thought you couldn't do that. Apparently you can. And I just did. I am just burning through that aircraft carrier squadron. It's like half damage and it's at half strength. It's 5 full strength. I'm gonna be flicking these guys. I'm gonna be loading AP. And they see me. Well, the bots, they're also bots, so like they don't really care if they see me. They don't they can't target me. Anyway, eat my reinforced AA sector. Again. Turn broadside onto these guys. Alright, just run the fuck
Thank
away.
you.
They are carrier-based torps, and they do not have lots of range. Let's see how those two drive by that guy. Doing alright. I had the right to be alive.
Raptor, Task Force Commander here. Transmitting rendezvous point. Do you copy? This is Raptor. Roger. Adjusting course.
I'm a heavy cruiser, he's a light cruiser, so I get to call him little one.
This is Raptor. Air Wing is ready for duty.
Don't choose violence. Oh, they're gonna see me though. Will I see me?
Fuck them, kid.
fuck. They didn't get in front of the carrier. See how he was. Yeah, that was substantially better than the last games I've had today. I've gone. I think I'm just built for cruisers, guys. I'll get one of these. I don't even use these. I don't know what these are even used for. Like, okay. I just open containers and get these damn things. Like, I don't even care anymore. Sure, that one. I don't care. No, I can't use all of them. I don't have duplicates. Okay, I don't give a shit. I can quite literally give a shit about that. I do not like anime. So I'm probably gonna get the Superintendent after this. This next skill I'm gonna get. I can't do this for that. So. Getting a little inspiring car there. Shit, did I make it? There is this guy again. It's you again. We gotta cross the curve first with over 100 hit points. 100,000 hit points.
Attention Task Force Commander. Escort the support ship and floating workshop to the carrier. Over. Attention Engineer. Restore the carrier to operational condition. Attention Arsenal and Aviator. Deliver ammunition and resupply the Rutgers air crew. Over.
Awaiting instruction.
Burn the world, boil the ocean, and send arm-piercing rounds to people's skulls. U.S. is Des Moines' motto. Choose obscene violence and ask questions later. Just throw, throw 9.
Defeat of enemy forces is key to success. Send them all to Davy Jones fast.
angle the fuck away before I get smited by a battleship and a heavy cruiser.
Problem solved, sir.
So I must take my 5 because of fire. Hell yeah. Go, 5-inch guns! Yeah, they aren't shooting at me anymore, so I'm gonna boss the fuck out of them and make it on piercing shells. Now I'll make that big. Right in front of my face.
Torpedoes to start.
Oh shit! I'm dead. I'm dead. No, I'm not. Help! 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 That fucking hurt. So, we need to burn this man alive. I would like my digital party to get through this. They can't see me. That hurt. Okay, we're not gonna burn this on like 3 seconds of soda. Ow. Torps. Torps hurt. Ow, torps hurt. Yes, they do.
Attention ship and squadron commanders. Pay
Nah,
special
not at all.
attention to
Just a little
torpedo
bit.
defense.
Please don't shoot him. Please don't shoot him. Please don't shoot him.
Ship is on fire. Problem solved, sir. This is Raptor. Enemy aircraft carrier detected. Destroyer. It's crucial for the squadron. Attention, squadron commander. According to reconnaissance data, one more enemy aircraft carrier in the combat zone. Seek and destroy.
I love that.
Many thanks. Enemy destroyers.
Enemy cruiser foundered.
I'm dead here. Turn! Turn it! The boys, come on!
This is engineer. All stations.
I'm dead.
Have
Fuck.
repairs of ships. Stay close. Concentrate fire on the enemy warship.
That Alaska is just going for it. Close to territory. Ugly. Jesus.
the giant floating target. What happened? Yeah, they that would be.
ends in 5 minutes.
No Shelby in there.
Come on. What do we get in the container, guys? Anything good? No. Well, I think that's gonna do it for this video, guys. See y'all next time, I guess. I don't know how to do this. We'll find out.